Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So now as you can see over here we have done with this modeling over here. Let's start up with the texturing part over here. So very first of all, before starting with the texturing part, what we'll be doing is we'll be just converting this. Let's go into rendering, render setup, and let's set it as V-Ray over here. So once you set up a V-Ray over here, let's go down, select this, press M on your keyboard, let's go into material and we'll go back again into the slate material editor and let's take a V-Ray material over here. So let's name it as floor over here. So we're going to take a texture for the floor. Let's go into diffuse bitmap and into this you have new bathroom texture and we'll be taking as first this texture. Let's see how it looks like. So it doesn't go well, we'll just change the texture. I have other textures also over here, and with it what we'll be doing is like we'll be giving a bit of reflection to the floor over here. That's it. Select this now, select the wall over here. So go into this polygons over here. I'm not going to select this side wall, only this wall over here, and let's go into the material again and let's again take a V-Ray material. We'll take it as a wall 1, go into the diffuse bitmap and let's take a wall texture over here. So what we'll be doing is like we'll be assigning this marble texture over here and we'll be assigning a bit of reflection to it. So we have assigned a marble texture over here. If you want to adjust it with its scaling or something, that can be easily done over here. If you want to do it, you can do it. That can be done over here. So once you're done with this, we can just go into this and set up a UVW map to perfectly fit that texture over here. So select this and UVW map. Fit it. So convert to editable poly. Now what I'll be doing over here is like I'll select this stuff over here. I'll just give a texture over here. Let's go into this material again. Let's again take a V-Ray material. We'll give a wood texture over here, bitmap, and preview it. So let's assign this texture. If you want to take a normal, you can also create a normal also. For that you have a normal bump. You can connect that with a normal bump. You should have a normal map for that. That can be connected with a bump map, and into the normal you can assign those normal maps. Alright. So once you have assigned this over here like this, so I'll again go into this and I'll give a UVW map. We'll set it as a box, convert to poly, and in between that we'll just select that stuff over here and we'll just give a shiny metal texture to it. So just select this all. So let's go into the material again. Let's take a V-Ray material over here. So we'll just give a metal or something, or steel. Let's go into this. Let's give a color. Go into its reflective property over here, and into that reflective property IOR, reduce it, off the Fresnel, and you can give just kind of reflectiveness. So edge glossiness, and okay, we'll go with this. We'll give a satin look over here and just assign that over here. Alright, looks much better. So into this wood texture, save your file. Now into this wood texture over here, if you select this, and if you want to assign a bump over here, so we can assign a bump map over here. So you can easily assign a bump map. Go down, maps. I'll just assign a bit of mild noise over here. I'll go into this, I'll make it as turbulence, and I'll reduce the size to 0.5, or you can just give a noise to 2. That's it. So that noise will give you a bit of roughness to it. Again, select this over here, select this stuff. Let's go into this polygons, exclude this. Let's go into the material. We'll just assign a white color over it. Let's take one more V-Ray material over here, and let's just assign a color to it. Alright, so same thing will be working with this also. So let's assign one swift loop over here. So select this, exclude this, so go into material, exclude this, so go into material over here, so take a V-Ray material, and let's, if you want to call a color, we can just call a color over here for that. So if you go into the material over here, oh, it's gone more towards the pink. So again, go into the material. So it's too high, very high. Yeah, much better. Okay. select this all over here, and let's just assign the same color to it. That's it. Alright. Alright. So there is a lot of roughness. We need to reduce this roughness, definitely, so that roughness doesn't look good over here. So that noise we can just get to 0.2 over here. Alright. So now you can just select this and let's give a glass over here. So for that we'll again go into this V-Ray material, and the refraction will keep this white. And if you want to work with IOR values of this glass, you can work with that. That's your index of refraction. That's it. Alright. Looks much better now. Okay. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.